What's going on, guys? Jared Francisco here. Welcome to my channel. So the other day in one of those photography groups I am a part of, someone asked me why I chose to take photos of people instead of other subjects. It got me thinking because when I was starting out in photography, I was just taking photos of everything that was in front of me. As a joke, my initial response was, hey, money is good when there are people involved. But of course there are a lot more to it, so in today's video I want to talk about the reasons why I do what I do and all the things that I love when I take photos of people instead of other subjects. So the first reason, and probably my favorite, is that I get a chance to meet a lot of interesting people. Ever since I was young, I like to meet and talk to people I barely even know. You could leave me in one corner, and when you go back to me after 1 hour, I would pretty much know the whole life story of the person I'm sitting right next to. Taking photos of people gave me that opportunity to meet a lot of interesting people that I would have probably not gotten a chance to meet if I decided to go on a different route. In each session, I get a chance to have a good conversation with the people I work with that day. I really get to know them personally. So after I shoot, I always feel like I have a new friend. And this leads me to my next reason why I love to take photos of people. I get a chance to interact and give and receive feedback right away. I can easily give instructions to the people I'm working with. If a look or a pose is not working on my end, I could easily say it. It works the other way as well. If something's not comfortable for the model, they could easily tell that to me as well. Communication is key when you're taking photos of people, so that is something I make sure that I really practice on my shoot. The next reason why I like what I'm doing is that I get to have a lot of control during a shoot. I can pretty much dictate what happens on my whole shoot. I get to choose the mood and theme that I want, the look, the emotions, the poses that I want from my models. I get the final say on the hair, the makeup, and the wardrobe that they're gonna wear. If there's not enough lighting, I could easily produce a light. I get to be the captain of my own ship in every session. The last reason why I like taking photos of people or portraits is because each session is unique. No session is the same. The location that I shoot at, the people that I work with, the model, the theme, they are all different for each shoot. So as a creative, this is really important for me. I get to try new things. I get to try different lighting situations. In every session that I do, I get a different experience out of it. And that keeps me hungry for more. So what do you guys think? If you're a portrait photographer or any photographer in general, I would love to know what you love about your work. If you're not a photographer, I would still want to know what you do and what you love about it. So feel free to comment that below. So if you like this video, hit like, click subscribe, and I see you guys in the next video.